In a world where everyday demands can sometimes weigh us down, our backs often bear the brunt of the load. But fear not, for today, we're unveiling the secret to conquering low back pain with 6 absolute best exercises. Let's get started. Number 1. Sphinx pose and Cobra pose. These yoga-inspired poses are the first mobilization techniques. They focus on hyperextension of the lower back and can be beneficial for those with hypolumbar lordosis. 8 long breaths are recommended, repeated in 3 to 4 sets. The controlled breathing during these poses enhances mobility and supports the exchange of nutrients within the intervertebral discs, aiding in healing. Number 2. Prayer pose. Following the Sphinx or Cobra pose, the prayer pose is introduced as a way to flex the lower back and stretch the rectus abdominis muscles. It's a gentle stretch for decompression, and it also involves 8 long breaths in 3 to 4 sets. By performing this pose, you can prevent your lower back from becoming stiff, and it helps in maintaining flexibility. Number 3. Reverse Russian twists. This exercise helps in decompressing and mobilizing the lower back, especially after activities like heavy squats. It involves gentle rocking back and forth with about 20 repetitions on each side for 3 to 4 sets. The rocking motion relieves pain and pressure in the lower back, making it feel more comfortable and mobile. Number 4. Spinal Rocks. Spinal Rocks helps to relieve pain and pressure in the lower back. They involve gentle rocking while holding your knees up, and they can be performed for about 20 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. They help relieve pain and pressure in the lower back, making it beneficial for individuals who have been standing for extended periods or engaging in strenuous activities like squats. Spinal Rocks maintain mobility and ease discomfort. Number 5. Hip drop stretch. This stretch involves twisting the knees to one side while keeping the shoulders on the floor. It's a stretch that mobilizes the lower back, enhances flexibility, and provides relief. It's a slow, controlled stretch to mobilize the lower back and should be done gently. Hold for about 30 seconds on each side for 3 to 4 sets. Proper breathing during this stretch supports nutrient exchange within the intervertebral discs, promoting healing. Number 6. Breathing technique. Deep and slow breathing helps during each stretch to mobilize the joints and facilitate nutrient exchange within the intervertebral discs. Proper breathing enhances the effectiveness of each exercise, supporting the healing process and alleviating pain. Check out our videos on lower back exercises for those seeking more advanced routines. These additional resources offer a comprehensive approach to lower back health, providing you with a range of exercises and techniques to cater to your specific needs and preferences. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have a history of back pain or injury. In conclusion, the journey to conquer low back pain is both empowering and transformative. The 6 absolute best exercises for low back pain have opened a gateway to a pain-free and healthier existence for those who've embarked on this path. These exercises, carefully curated and explained, are not merely movements. They are the keys to unlocking a life unburdened by the constraints of lower back discomfort. From the Sphinx and Cobra poses to the prayer pose, reverse Russian twists, spinal rocks, and the hip drop stretch, each exercise serves a unique purpose, targeting pain relief, flexibility, and strength. Importantly, the emphasis on proper technique and controlled breathing reinforces the idea that healing and progress should be gradual, safe, and sustainable. Through these exercises, you can mobilize your lower backs, prevent stiffness, and maintain the hard-earned relief gained from prior treatments. As we conclude this journey, remember that this video is not just a one-time guide, but a wellspring of knowledge to return to whenever needed. So, whether you're someone who's experienced the pain of a stiff lower back or an individual seeking to prevent such discomfort in the future, these exercises offer a lifeline to improved back health. With dedication, patience, and the guidance provided here, you have the tools to unlock a life free from the shackles of lower back pain. Embrace these exercises and step into a brighter, more comfortable future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on lower back pain. Make sure to click the link in the description for a proven way to get rid of all kinds of lower back pain for good. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.